In this video, we will see how to fix different issues caused by the IsVirtual slot not defined in TrueSight. In TrueSight, while publishing a service model, one sees an error, class info is not synchronized, and the failure message talks about the IM slot is virtual. Another issue one can see if IsVirtual slot is not defined, that the new petrol agents does not get added in TrueSight. And in TrueSight.log, they can see an error like data addition failed, undefined slot is virtual. This issue is seen in the later versions of CMDB as the IsVirtual attribute has been moved from the class BMC system to BMC base element. And the IsVirtual slot would not be SIM enabled. So to fix this issue, you need to make the IsVirtual attribute as SIM enabled and then synchronize the classes between CMDB and TrueSight by running pclassinfo command.
Log into the CMDB portal, click on Class Management and then click on Classes. It will take you to Class Manager portal. Under Base Element, you can look for the IsVirtual attribute. You need to set the custom properties with this value in the newer versions. This property would mean that this IsVirtual slot would now be SIM enabled. For older versions, you can refer this annotation for the format to be added in custom properties. Once this is done, you can now click on Save.
Now log into the TSIM server, run the pclassinfo command. This command will synchronize all the classes and the attributes definition from the CMDB server, and it will generate a file mcsmobject.barok. You will see the file created in the same folder from where we were running the command. You can open the file and look for the slot IsVirtual, and you can see the IsVirtual slot is now defined in mcsmobject.barok file. Copy this file on the TrueSight server's cell KB directory. In the TrueSight cells KB classes directory, let's take the backup of the old file to old, and now we will copy the file. Once the file is copied, we will compile the cell and we will now restart the cell. You can run the command pclassinfo-n with the cell name. This will tell if the classes on CMDB and TrueSight are synchronized. And now you can go ahead and publish the new service model from CMDB to TrueSight. And also, if you're facing another issue where the petrol agents are not getting added as a device, you can try adding the petrol agent again, restart the petrol agent, and the device petrol agent should now get added in TrueSight. This completes my video. Thank you for watching.